Hi everyone, James here from Screencastify, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our Chrome extension. Screencastify is the simplest way to create high-quality screencasts from right within your browser. Once you've installed Screencastify, click the gray film strip icon to get started. Next, choose whether you want to record your current browser tab, entire desktop, or just your webcam. You can also capture microphone audio if you want to narrate over your recording, as well as audio from within your tab or application. Then, embed your webcam to make your recording more personal. Once you're recording, spice up your screencast with our array of annotation tools. For example, shine a spotlight on your mouse to focus your viewer's attention. Or, draw with our pen tool. You can also toggle your webcam on and off and customize its location, size, and shape. When you're finished recording, click the film strip icon again and click End. And that's it! Screencastify automatically saves your recordings to your Google Drive, where you can access them anytime, anywhere. Then, you can rename your recording and share it by either grabbing the Google Drive link or publishing it directly to your YouTube channel. Our premium subscribers can crop and trim their videos, as well as export them as an animated GIF or MP4 file. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have fun creating awesome videos with Screencastify.